Hello everyone, welcome to Fluent English with Shah. In this lesson, you will master the most important modal verbs in English: can, could, may, might, must, should, will, would. Learn how to use them correctly with real-life examples and easy explanations, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners who want to sound fluent and confident in English speaking. So let's get into the video. Section 1. Can, could. Can shows ability or permission. Example: I can swim. Can I go out now? Could is the past form of can or polite request. I could run fast when I was a child. Could you help me please? Section 2. May, might. May is for permission or possibility. You may leave now. It may rain today. Might is we care a possibility. I might go to the party. Section 3. Must, should. Must shows obligation or strong recommendation. You must wear a helmet. Should is for advice. Example: you should drink more water. Section 4. Will, would. Will talk about the future. Example: I will call you tomorrow. Would is a polite or imaginary. Would you like some tea? Example: if I were rich, I would travel the world. Practice these modal verbs with me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah. See you in the next lesson.